Hello, in this video we're gonna unbox the TREZOR Safe Free cold wallet. So as you can see, here I have the TREZOR Safe Free, and let's open it up. I'll need to use a knife to cut the foil. Now let's take this packaging off. I don't really know. Okay, I'll need to open it. Here. Then I can see what's inside. And first of all, of course, the device. So let's take the foil off of it. See how it looks here, and on the other side it is like this with the TREZOR logo. Now I think there's also this as a sticker. Yes. Okay, this was some sort of a void, so if you take it off, then it means it was already used. It's pretty important to know that. Now also we have some sort of information here, like the get started, some stickers as well, wallet backup, recovery seed. I'm gonna view it. Okay, it's just like an empty sheet for the recovery seed. Then I believe the other one will be the exact same thing. And here we have the device name and the PIN. So you can see that. It also says that you should never make that a digital copy, and it's for your eyes only. So never share it with anyone. And also don't use it in place with any sort of cameras. Now here is the get started, but I already know how to get started. Basically, there is a video on our channel on how to set it up, so you can also watch that. And now you'll also have the USB-C cable, and yeah, that's basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one, because there will be a few videos about this device.